Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aaliyah and you should totally subscribe and join the family. I know I've been a little bit MIA recently, but I've been super busy. With a lot of different stuff, but I'm going to try and get back on my game and start posting regularly. This video is more of like just a day in the life type video. It's going to be super chill, super vlog style, I'm thinking. I'm trying a new background out. I know the sun is like really bright on this side, so I'm just hoping that this looks okay. But yeah, today basically I just have planned to take some photos. I got ready, I got dressed. I'll show you the fit when we go take photos. I want to take some Instagram photos and I have some college stuff to do. I need to clean my room and I also need to pack for a trip we're going on. So it's going to be just a really super chill day in the life and I hope you enjoy. So let's go. Okay, so the first location is in fact my front porch. I have my phone here and then I have another tripod set up right there and I have my automatic clicker thing. I'm going to set up photos right here. Okay, well, we had a little bit of an issue because my phone died. So now I'm going to have to take all my photos on this camera and it's really heavy and I'm trying to hold it right now vlog style and it's really heavy. But I just have this tripod because my phone died. So we're going to try and find a new spot with good lighting to take these photos and I just really hope that no one is watching me right now because it's super kind of weird. But yeah, I think I'm going to go right over here by this tree because I think it would be a cool little spot. I'll set it up and we'll show you what it looks like. Oh, and I forgot to show you the outfit. So I have this hat. I got it from, I bought it online in that one haul. I'll link it up. Actually, literally everything I'm wearing I got in the haul. So I'll link it up in the description or like in the little eye because over here, I don't know. But I have this hat that have the rips in them. My favorite pair of jeans. And then I have this green like sage color shirt, which I absolutely am obsessed with. And I bought this. I actually got this jacket thrifting. And then I'm wearing my Adidas shoes. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear the bucket hat in all of them. I'm gonna take a few pics with the bucket hat, but not all of them. And then yeah, we'll go back to my house. I never look at the photos until after I'm done. So I just take a bunch and then we'll go through them at my house and I'll delete the bad ones and edit the good ones. So, but yeah, let's take a photo, a few stuff on this camera, and we'll head home. Okay. Now that I got those photos done, I'm gonna go back to my house because it's really cold out here. My hands are getting really cold. I'm gonna go look through those photos that we just took, so let's go. I actually think the lighting looks really good right here, so I hope we got some good ones, but let's go see. Hey guys, I decided to go ahead and extend my day in the life to day 2. So today's day 2. I just thought it would be super fun to show you a little bit more of what my routine is. So I'm gonna just explain what I did this morning and catch you up to right now. So this morning I woke up at 6:30 to go check cows. I know that sounds super cowgirlish and western, but it's an odd job for my family. I drive out every morning and we check the cows. And I recorded a little bit of that, so I'll put it in right here. whenever I get back I usually work out. So today I worked out until 7:30ish. Didn't record that because I don't really like to record myself working out, but I did that. Then I got ready, I did my makeup to my outfit today. And now it's 9:45, 9:50ish, and I have my cup of coffee. And I do need to catch up on some college. That's pretty much what today's going to be, is college work. It is Thanksgiving break, so I don't have like regular school, but I do need to get caught up. So that's pretty much what today is going to consist of. I do need to finish picking up my room so that whenever we get back from our Thanksgiving trip, we're good to go. Super chill day 2, but day 2 it is, and let's go. Let's get started. Right now I am just chilling here. I'm on my little break. I have been working on college. Yeah, that's just my little update. Wanted to update you guys. I think I should probably get back to college, to school. I had a little snack. I'm drinking my orange juice. I absolutely love orange juice. It's like one of my favorite drinks. But I'm gonna get back to work here. Here is today's fit. I'm just wearing socks. These white jeans that have rips in them. Then I'm wearing this blue shirt with like a little ruffle along. Then I'm just wearing my hoops, and my hair is still curled from yesterday. So that is today's fit. I do really like my outfit today. I feel very put together. Okay, bye. Thank you for tuning in and watching this 2-day, 3-day-ish vlog. I know it was super basic and probably super boring, but I just wanted to start getting some content out there. I do have videos planned. In fact, I'll let you in on a little secret. I actually keep this entire notebook right here that just has like all my video ideas. Okay, basically anytime I have a video idea, I just put in this little notebook, and this little notebook is full of all my video ideas. So I promise you there's more coming. I just have been super, super busy, and I've kind of fallen into like a funk where I don't really want to it's not the recording that I actually think it is the recording. I think I'd rather edit than record it. So I just don't never record it and then I don't have anything to edit. I think that's the problem. I don't really know, but I do enjoy editing and making videos. I just kind of have gotten myself into like a little funk where I don't want to do it, I don't know if that makes sense, but I will be putting content out there. But yeah, thank you for watching all this Thank you for watching all the way through this vlog, and there is more content coming, I promise. And if you don't mind, you could totally write a suggestion in the comments, and I would totally do it. And yeah, while you're at it, subscribe. That'd be nice. And next time, I'll see you when I see ya. Bye.